As you continue to practice reading body language in dogs, remember to keep a few key things in mind. A relaxed dog will appear soft and loose in their face, posture, and the way they carry themselves. It's essential to look at context anytime you're reading body language to help you interpret exactly what you're seeing. Remember that subtle body language signals can make a huge difference. Looking at two dogs who both have their mouths tightly closed and both look a little bit stiff, you can recognize that each of them is actually experiencing a completely different emotional state. You can see that the light tan dog has soft almond-shaped eyes and perked forward-facing ears, while the gray dog has his ears pulled back and his eyes are widened with a little bit of tension in his forehead. Knowing the context of both of these photos, I can say that the light tan dog is simply looking at a ball that's about to be thrown and is spending time with people that she trusts in a place that she feels comfortable. Her tightly closed mouth is simply the result of intense concentration, while the gray dog is in a shelter environment surrounded by people that he doesn't know and displaying body language that helps us to understand that he's feeling nervous. Remember that your dog's ears, eyes, mouth, posture, and tail can all help you to read exactly what they might be experiencing at a given point in time. Keep in mind that tails in particular are very complex and that a wagging tail does not necessarily indicate a happy dog. We're looking for how that tail might be wagging, as well as what position it's in. When looking at playful body language, it's important to keep in mind that anybody involved in play should all be showing soft, comfortable body language, and we should prevent our dogs from having fun at another individual's expense. If we see that one dog is uncomfortable or struggling, even though the other one is having fun and feeling confident, we should interrupt those interactions. Just like with our relaxed dogs, we want to see a lot of loose, wiggly movement. Inefficient movement and self-handicapping are also ways that our dogs can appropriately play. Remember that all dogs are going to display fear differently, and although some dogs might cower and defer when afraid, others might choose to bark, growl, and defend themselves. It's important to recognize these fearful dogs so that we can find the most effective solutions to help them manage their fear. Above all else, remember that body language is complex and that our dogs can be unsure of the way that they're feeling also, so you might see some mixed signals when you're looking at body language. That's normal, and in those situations, we can simply help our dogs to understand that whatever they're experiencing is a good thing and continue to work on building their confidence. The more attention you pay to body language, the more you'll be able to pick up on subtle changes and signals, so keep practicing. Watch as many dogs as you can, and remember to interpret everything you notice in context and to look at the whole dog as you're trying to decide what they might be thinking and feeling.